Now we will discuss about index and what are the types of indexes. Index is nothing but it is one type of a data structure. It is used to locate and access the data in a database table quickly. Actually, huge amount of data will be stored on the secondary storage device. To store this huge amount of data in the hard disk, it uses some data structure. One of the data structure it uses is nothing but indexing techniques. Indexing is used to optimize the performance of a database by minimizing the number of disk access required when a query is processed. So here mainly the purpose of indexing is to minimize the number of disk access when a query is processed. So here types of indexes are primary index, clustering index, secondary index. Again, in the primary, it is classified as a dense and sparse index. Indexing can be based on its attributes. So here, indexing can be based on attributes, which is nothing but a column names. First, we will see one by one. Primary, we will see. Primary index. Primary index is defined as an ordered files. The data file is ordered on a key field. The key field is generally the primary key of the relation, which is nothing but here. Primary index is built on the ordered file, which is nothing but if we want to apply the primary index, then that file should be ordered and key field, which means that the table should consisting of a key field. What do you mean by key field? Means if any attribute which uniquely identifies a row, then that is nothing but a key. For example, if you consider student table, student roll number must be unique. Each and every student must have different roll numbers. If you consider employee table, employee ID is unique. So that is nothing but here primary key, which doesn't take any duplicate values and it doesn't consist any null values. So here first we will see primary index. If you want to apply the primary index, then that file must be ordered and it should consist compulsory primary key, one key value in the table. So here primary index again classified into two types, dense index and sparse index. In dense index, there is an index record for every search key value in the database. We will see what does it mean with example. For example, let's consider this is the table, employee table. In the employee table, employee ID, employee name, address I have taken. So here if you observe this table is nothing but a ordered, which is nothing but it is in sequential order 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here if you observe these attributes, employee ID is the key attribute. So here this is the key attribute. Employee ID is unique. It doesn't consist any duplicate values. Now I want to apply primary index, that is also dense index, I want to apply on this table. So how to apply dense index means this is nothing but a index table. What do you mean by index table? Means it consisting of the two columns. First column contains the primary key of the table, which is nothing but a 1 to 8. And second column contains the address of the disk blocks, hard disk blocks. Second field contains the address of the hard disk blocks where the key values are specified. So here first this is nothing but a index table. In dense index, each and every record maintains the key value. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. Again here one employee in which address it is stored. Let's consider 1000. The 1000 address will be maintained here and so on. This is nothing but a primary index. Now we will see primary index, that is, this is nothing but a dense index. Now we will see sparse index. Sparse index is nothing but a, in sparse index, index record appears only for few records. Each record points to a block, which is nothing but a here. Only for few records it will maintain a index, not for every record. If you observe here, index will be maintained for only few records, not for every record. In dense, for every record we are maintaining an index table. Here only for few records we are maintaining a index. So here let's consider same table. This is nothing but a again ordered file, and employee ID is the key attribute. Here instead of maintaining index for each and every record, some set of records, okay, for one block we are going to be considering index. So here 1 and 5 index I am considering. So if you want to check 6th employee ID values, then it will check in the, obviously 6 means after 5 only comes. So here 1. No, it will go to the employee ID 5. Again 5 is pointed to here. So in 5 is not matching, checks in the 6 and so on. So here this is regarding primary index, dense index and sparse index. Dense index, if the number of records are more, then the dense index is searching time will be more. So sparse index will be implemented when number of records are more. Please like and subscribe. Comment also.